Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Let's go over the Snapchat friend limit. Now, Snapchat does limit the number of friends that you can have on the app on your profile. In addition, they limit how many friends you can add every single day. For this video, I will walk you through some of those steps that will help you fix it if you're running into those limitation issues. Now, if we hop into this article, the nice thing is that Snapchat has a support article for all troubleshooting, adding friends, and as you can see here, number three and number four is you have too many friends. There's a limit on how many friends you can have. It says a lot of friends. If you do reach this limit, all you have to do is remove any of your old friends to be able to add new ones. Or the second one or the fourth one is you added too many friends too quickly. So the nice thing is we can go over to another article from Google, and here it says Snapchat friends limit. As you can see, the limit in terms of the total number of friends you can have on Snapchat is 6,000. Now, keep in mind, this doesn't limit other people from just following your public Snapchat profile, but this limits the number of friends that you can have on your specific profile. And then, if you scroll down here a bit, there are limitations too in terms of how many people you can add every single day. And you can see about 100 to 130 every single day. If you've added more than that or reached that limit, then all you have to do is to wait till that next day to be able to add more friends or people in your profile. Now, another thing that you should keep in mind is that you can always go back into Snapchat right here. Let's tap on the conversations at the bottom left. Or you can also go through here in your entire friends list, and you can always delete somebody from your friends to be able to add new ones. So let's say if you scroll way down and there's some friends that you feel like you don't talk to them anymore, you can just simply tap on their profile and then you just have to hold on their name, hit manage friendship, and then hit that remove button if you no longer want to talk to that specific friend. And that way, you will be able to add new friends on your profile. That is how we maximize the Snapchat's friend limit.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.